What's up, guys? We're gonna go get some lunch. Let's go.
Welcome to You Jelly Eats. Yeah. The Dairy Queen episode starts now.
Feelings on the rise, gotta let you know. Is you down the ride? If you do, let's go. Used to broken hearts, made it typical. Used to watch your love through a telescope. I'ma break it down and make that booty pop. You gon' feel my heart after every stroke. Every stroke. Baby girl, don't know what you do to me. Calling you my baby girl.
I got something to say about you, Luke. T10. Very good. I think this is I think it's red. Yeah, it's red. Fries.
Not bad. Not bad.
Chicken tenders. Crunchy. Same thing that they did in high school. Using chicken tender in high school and fried. That's all I eat.
Okay. Try it. Like made to order. Really hot. Really hot. Like fresh hot. How about the toast, man? You gotta try the toast.
A little butter on there. Very good, very good.
A little butter on there. Right there. There's the butter side.
Oh man.
Why are you wearing a seatbelt already, man?
I don't know. Cause you know why? It's gonna blast me away.
Ooh, we got the Oreo Brookie, baby. So we finished the chicken strips.
We can't flip it upside down because it's very hot and
It's already melted.
it's already melted. So.
But she did it already over there.
Yeah.
So it's an Oreo Brookie. It's a brand new dessert there at Dairy Queen.
It was a new thing on their item, right?
We don't have any Dairy Queens in our area, so we have to travel all the way to San Ramon here
There we go.
for a card show. So let's give it a whirl, guys.
Ooh.
Man, there's like it was non-stop over there.
Yeah, dude. Like,
Business is flying.
or should I say, it's blooming. It's not too sweet. It's just the way it is. It's perfect.
What kind of ingredients you see here?
We have some. Shoot, I don't know.
There's some chocolate in here.
Chocolate.
I don't know if it's from the Oreo, but so it's a brookie. Does that mean brownie and a cookie?
I think so. It kind of looks like they got just like graham crackers in it or something. It's kind of like a little brownie. You see it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think they probably
I think
crumbled
it's
some.
Oreo, brownie, and cookie.
Yeah. I see you knew 210.
So the chewy bite sizes are the brownies.
Oh yeah.
The Oreo is a little bit more crunchy. And there's cookie bits too.
Ooh.
I'm a brownie guy. I like it.
Me too.
And you can't go wrong with Oreo.
Nope.
Oreo shakes all day, baby.
Yeah. So I already got it.
What is a brownie? Show the camera.
As you can see,
It's a brownie piece right there.
it's a brownie piece right there. So.
Just gonna try it out by itself.
Oh.
It's like a brownie.
Mm-hmm.
It's so hot here in San Ramon.
Feel like we're in the Philippines now.
So we gotta get Dairy Queen. So we're reviewing the new item. I had Blizzards before. This one's pretty good.
Yeah, I had them before too. Now it's like
Can't
like
go
the
wrong.
like the collector said, near our area, we don't have a Dairy Queens.
That's their trademark, the Blizzard.
Mm-hmm.
They're make McDonald's have their imitation, the McFlurry. It's not as good though. Can't beat a Blizzard.
You put like mini M&Ms, and then when you get it, it's like all drizzled with like colors.
They don't even mix well.
Yeah, it doesn't.
But this is the Blizzard. It's so good.
There's also there's what was it?
Yeah, everything works well here.
Dairy Queen and Orange Julius together, so pretty good.
Yeah, next time we gotta get Julius.
Oh.
So comment below, guys, which Dairy Queen item you would try to get in the future. Let us know your favorites in the comments. It's perfect for a hot day.
Well,
No wonder it's non-stop line. I see you, Dairy Queen. I see you.
I see you too, Newton. I see you too. I know when you're gonna comment later.
So it's gonna take a while to eat, but so we're just gonna review the chicken strips here. What's your thoughts on the chicken strips, real quick?
Man, it was good.
It's good, not the best. Right?
Not the best, yeah. The fries.
Supposedly it's a brand new item. I don't know. I thought I'd seen chicken strips on there before.
Maybe it's like.
I don't know.
And then the fries, it was good. The toast, or is it toast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good.
So
What was it?
we're just gonna rate the chicken strips. What's your rating out of 10? Chicken strips only.
Chicken strips, I like to give it a 1. Oh no way, a 0.1. It was alright.
Out of 10?
Yes.
Oh man.
I did well.
That's like bad.
I see you, Newton. See, I don't give it a perfect 10.
Oh
like you
man, that's the lowest score. That's lower than Kai.
How about you?
Well, you said
Mr.?
it was alright.
It was alright. It wasn't perfect. It was aight.
I like it's made to order, but you know, it's like it's okay. It feels like it's frozen. Would I order it again? Probably not. Probably not, man.
They probably like put in the like in the air fryer or something. I don't know.
It's okay. I mean, like I like it. It's when it came out, but like then I got tired of eating it. I had better. It does feel frozen. I'm gonna give it a 6.3 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, probably not gonna order it again. Unless I really want chicken strips. But the Blizzard though, alright, here we go. This is what they're here for, man. They're Dairy Queen, right? They're the queen of dairy. Blizzard. What's your thoughts on it?
Man, I'm enjoying it. I'm not eating as fast as I can, or I'm not eating it like I usually eat fast with dessert. I gotta give it an 8.7.
Real good.
Really good. Now it's like, now as you can see, it's like almost like milkshake kind of way. Well, kind of, a little bit. It's still melting.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
I do like the brownie. Is it my favorite Blizzard? Probably not, but I still like it because of the cookies and the brownie and the Oreo. I give it 8.6. Pretty solid. Yeah, not bad. But they do have a lot of Blizzards, so it's hard to,
It's hard to choose which one you want to get.
yeah, to put it this up. Even though I really, I like their other Blizzards too.
Good. Yeah.
Not bad.
But did
Pretty
you have
good.
a cotton candy one there too, right?
Oh yeah, I don't know if that one was that good. It's probably not my flavor.
I
Though.
bet you it might be too thick and it might be too sweet.
Not really. Yeah,
The cotton candy
I don't
person?
really like. I mean, I'll eat cotton candy when I was a kid. I think I liked it, but nowadays, I'm like,
Yeah.
when you turn to adult, like your taste buds change. It doesn't taste as like awesome as before.
Doesn't taste as fulfilling when you were like a little kid.
Yeah, like one bite, like, oh, I thought it tasted better than this. And like, yeah, but I mean, if you guys want cotton candy Blizzards, they're there. It's a brand new item, I think. Is it? Or
Yeah.
is it like,
They had that wasn't that old.
is it a brand new?
No, I think they had it for a while. I think this
it's
one was the newest menu, and there was
Yeah.
another one.
I think there's summertime 5 or something. They picked 5 for the summer, but I think they had it already before, so
Yeah.
it's not a new item.
So, but there's only 2 new items.
Yeah.
That's it. But that's
We have to try the new item, guys, give our honest opinion, so you guys can try it too. So let us know where you guys want us to eat next, and we'll give a shout out. We already have a shout out to one subscriber on the previous episode. Darren P, guys, Darren P. So watch that video if you haven't. Moose hasn't seen it yet because he wasn't part of it,
No, I wasn't yet.
Yeah. So it was iCarnati episode. But yeah, it looks like we're rotating, me and different.
It's okay to rotate once,
There's different people.
Yeah.
But the common factor is me, though. Like, yeah.
You got that right.
So make sure you comment, guys. I want all the comments you can. Spam it up. LCSS. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.